Hello, and welcome to your second lesson in this series. Last lesson, we spoke about nouns. Specifically, we spoke about concrete nouns, proper nouns, and abstract nouns. We can see them here. Today, though, we'll be talking about adjectives. Now, adjectives are words that describe things, and they change the meaning of the nouns. So let's have a look. For example, red, green, small, big, happy, and tall. So let's have a look at some sentences. The fat cat sat on the long mat. In this sentence, fat and long are adjectives because they change the meaning of the noun. From our last lesson, you'll know that cat and mat are concrete nouns. And that's it. That's all there is to know about adjectives. Be sure to subscribe and make sure you get notified when a new video is posted.